Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen broth vegetarian. We'll explore the essential components that build a deep, savory flavor profile, ensuring your broth is incredibly satisfying. You'll learn about the best vegetables and aromatics to use, along with techniques to extract maximum taste. Get ready to transform your ramen experience with a plant-based twist. To achieve that signature umami, we'll focus on powerful plant-based ingredients. Dried shiitake mushrooms are fantastic for their earthy, savory essence. Kombu, a type of dried kelp, forms the backbone of many Japanese broths, offering a subtle yet profound depth. And don't forget miso paste, which brings a complex, fermented richness that truly elevates the flavor. Next, we'll incorporate aromatic vegetables to build layers of flavor. Sautéing onions, garlic, and ginger creates a fragrant base. Adding carrots and celery contributes a natural sweetness and body to the broth. Once all your ingredients are in, a gentle simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes is crucial to allow all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches to perfect your vegetarian ramen broth. A splash of soy sauce and mirin balances the flavors beautifully, and a pinch of salt adjusts to your preference. A tiny dash of sesame oil at the end adds a lovely nutty aroma. Feel free to customize with your favorite toppings like scallions, nori, or seasoned tofu.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.